What's going on, everyone? Gilman with the Wellthy Stocks, back with our daily Tesla update video where we'll take a look at how Tesla stock traded today, some key support and resistance levels we are looking at moving into the future, and based on that, what we think Tesla stock could do. So real quick, if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like button down below, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and comment down below what your thoughts on Tesla are. Excuse me, I was going to say Apple, and I'd love to chat with you guys down there. So let me hit record and we will get right into it. Another monster day for Tesla. Just when you think Tesla's done, maybe it's going to take a little breather, keeps going. We're in the high 800s already, up another $64 today, and 7.84%. If we take a look at the 5-day chart, we've gone from kind of the low 700s to the high 800s in just a week on a stock with a market cap of $820 billion. So it's not a small penny stock, right, that you expect to move this much, but Tesla is a gift that just keeps on giving. So let's take a look at how it traded today. Yesterday, if you guys remember, we were in the 815s, pushed up in the after hours, then we gapped up just a little bit from 820s to 840s. We're pretty sideways, and then, you know, right out of the gate, we saw a little bit of a push down to the 840, 839 level, pushed up to 870s, came down, VWAP test, and then went right back up to 884s. And then the second half, it looked like, you know, we were going to have a little bit of a sell-off, right, and go kind of flat for the day. But nope, went up, VWAP rejection, came down, went up, this time kept pushing up to 884, and then kind of ended in the 880. So great day for Tesla. I know it's been a couple great day. What a monster week for Tesla overall. The Democrats got elected into the Senate, so that could be what is pushing this up, as they're expecting a lot more kind of subsidies and EV pushes and kind of deals or maybe laws that make either subsidies for clean energy or some requirement for clean energy. So that's my guess on why Tesla's moving up, as well as a lot of other alternative energy stocks as well. So let's take a look at Tesla and try to identify some levels of support. The first line that I'm going to draw is right here, based on 2 hourly charts that we bounced from, especially that second half of the day that we saw that bounce. So the reason I have this line here is because it's kind of the mid 800s, and I think that would be a good level of support, but also it's 847 where we bounced here, right? So let's take a look at the daily chart and we'll kind of see what we see. So first level of support, I think, is this 847, and then if we keep going down to kind of this 838 level, then I think we could gap fill to yesterday's close at 813. So I know that this is a long gap, but it's because we haven't really traded in this range for too long, so there's not a lot of supports to really kind of map out for us, right? So first level would be kind of the mid 800s from a level of support, then the low of today at 838, and I think if we keep going down, then I think that we could gap fill all the way to 816, which is where we closed yesterday. And then if we keep dropping for whatever reason, then 775 is the level we've got coming up as well as the AEMA at 765. Talking about the AEMA, I'd like to see the stock kind of keep above the AEMA, as it's done over the past, I don't know how many weeks now, since this run started, other than one day where we closed below it. But we are at we are at 880 and this is at 765. So we got $105 run room before we even have to worry about that. So that's another level of support at 765. And then the 693 and the 21 EMA. But like I said, those are very, very far away. What we are focusing more on is this 847 level gap filled potential down to 816. And then if we can crack 800s again, then a fall to 775, which is this next support level that we have. On the upside, right, we have the high of today to push for, which is 884, which is only $4 away. But other than that, we're at all-time high, so it's not really, we don't know what could be next for Tesla, right? Like, we jumped up $64 from yesterday today. Does that continue, or do we kind of take a break? Personally, right, I've said this for a couple days now, we could be getting ready for a pullback. Now, not saying that has to happen Monday, right? But we've gone up from, on 1230, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, we've gone from a low of 668 to 880. We've gone up $200, right? So a little bit of profit taking is healthy. A little bit of profit taking is normal and needed for the stock market, for it to kind of gather that steam and really push forward. So that's what I'll be looking out for next week. Not to say that happens Monday, right? But it could happen because of how I think overbought it is personally. As you can see, RSI is above 70 as well. And just the amount it's gone up, I think a little bit of a pullback between these two levels would be nice for the stock, just to kind of consolidate, gain its footing again, and then kind of push up. But yeah, those are the levels of support and resistance that I'm looking out for, as well as the 20-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. 20 period moving average rather, and that 20-day moving average is at 791. So if we do drop below 847 and we kind of break 800s, then I think 791 could be our next stop before the 775. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, if you think Tesla's going to keep going or if you think we're about to pull back just a little bit. Either way, looking very strong and already off to an amazing start in 2021. That's all I had for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let's remember to be a bit better every single day. And until next time.